All right, what do we got here, Sean?
All right, we're gonna make some Iowana S'mores here. These are gonna be some thickums cookies. So first we gotta take each one, place it in each hole in the baking tin. Now this is the important part. We wanna push it down. You wanna make a nice little hole because we're gonna throw something in there for each one. All right, so next we're gonna throw some marshmallows inside of each one.
Does it matter how many? You just...
No, you just want to, you can be generous with it. We're talking s'mores here, Okay. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, let's take a look.
Wowzers.
Oh my gosh.
They're like the perfect golden
Look
color,
at
just
that.
how Mama likes them.
Now that's what you call Iowana S'more. Just take a look at that for a minute.
Wow.
All right, now typically over there in Iowa they put some Hershey bars, but we got some Kisses on hand, so we're gonna do that
We love kissing.
right here in the middle. We love Kisses, chocolate ones. Put that in the middle. Ooh, look at that.
Wowzers.
So we're gonna let that melt. While we're doing that, we're gonna take these graham crackers. We gotta crush them up, stick them in a Ziploc bag, and just crush those babies up. Now we're gonna take some of this, just kind of sprinkle it over the top.
I love how it just rolls off your fingers.
Me too. We'll let it cool for a second. We're gonna pull it out of there and.
All right, let's flip these puppies over. Hopefully we got some good little nuggies.
I know, I'm trying to keep it with the graham cracker not coming out.
If you do it fast enough, it'll work.
All
3,
right.
2, 1. Oh, I can't wait to see these.
Hold on. There we go.
Wowzers! Oh. Look at that.
Wow, look at it. All right, let's take one. Oh.
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 Oh. Oh.
All right, let's take this one.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Look at it. Break that apart. Let's see what's inside. Oh,
Look at that.
ooey gooey
Look
masterpiece.
at the ooey gooey. It's a little hot, so I might wait.
Take a bite of that.
Should I take a bite? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Iowa.